Love Your Boss. This is a part 2 of the series wherein I am expressing my gratitudes toward the boss. From them, I learned a lot of things. Myself Prasad Kadam, and today I will be expressing my gratitude toward my boss in Hindustan Unilever. His name was Ganesh Mote. Currently, Ganesh Mote is also working with a very good organization. He is working with the Tata Group and he is doing very well in that organization. And during his tenure with when I was with him in Hindustan Unilever, I learned many important things from him. One of the most important things I learned is that man management. When I'm saying man management, he knows how to deal with a worker level, how to deal with a supervisor level, how to deal with the third party quality inspectors, and how to deal with the top management. Yes, we all know the human is the best asset of the company, and Ganesh is a person who knows that how to deal with this human asset. He used to deal very nicely with the workmen. He used to be, he used to be down to earth with the workmen, and he used to understand what kind of work he would like to do, what is his skills are there, where he can improve, what are his background. So he used to have all that information about that workman, and based on that he used to understand, okay, what kind of work this guy can do, what is his capability, and then he used to allocate the person the same job where they are interested and where they'll be self-motivated to do the things. This is one of the most important thing I learned from him, right? You have to motivate the person in a such a way that he should do the things because he want to do it, not we want to do it. So that is one of the good skill that Ganesh has. Yes, when we to deal with the person like supervisors, right? There are two supervisors, there are three supervisors who are working with us. The way I saw him dealing with them, the way he was dealing was that he generally most of the time used to get a technical discussion with them, and he see to that he seeks them more ideas from them, and once he seeks the ideas from them, he used to help them to implement the ideas. So this is the best way of dealing with the people and get a buy-in from the supervisor level, because these supervisors are our eye on the shop floor. We cannot be everywhere, and these supervisors are always at the shop floor, and they used to give us the information regarding the what is happening exactly in the shop floor. I still remember the name of the three supervisors. There was one Mr. Mohan Mure, and there was second one is Mr. Murke, and there was a third person Mr. KD Jadhav. These three guys are very well equipped, very well technically sound in their own work. And the second most important thing which I learned from Ganesh is that how to deal with the third party inspector. Since we are having orders when we have to supply to the foreign countries, and the foreign countries have they have told us that we have to hire on third party inspections, and third party inspector used to come to our organization and they used to inspect the things. But since when the third party was coming, it was always on their mind that they have to find something bad in this, find some defects in our product, so as to prove to that company that they are doing some work. But the way the Ganesh used to deal with them, he has made them as a part of our team and told them, yes, we will definitely do whatever the suggestions we are having, right? But we should work as a team. If you work as a team, then and then only you will survive. At the same time, I know that you have to find some defects and show to your management that you are doing some work. But he has also convinced them it is not the way, it is not the only way to do it. There are some other ways also. And he has made them friendship with them. And he has also same time was looking at that how he can have a better quality, better delivery for the same kind of stringent norms, I would say stringent tolerances, something like that. Fourth important thing is that Ganesh was very much resourceful to the top management also. See, whenever the top management want to have some kind of information regarding the workmen, regarding the dynamics what is happening within the workmen, it was the Ganesh who has been always instrumental in getting the information. Right? He has got a good source of network. I also learned from him how to develop a network within our organizations, within outside our organizations, and sometimes within going more out of the organizations and learning more out of it. Right? So he has got a very good network, and through his network he used to get very much information, and which this information serves to be very well helpful for taking the decision, IR related decision in the organizations. So I learned the four things from the Ganesh, that how to deal with the workmen, how to deal with the supervisors, how to deal with the this third party quality inspection, and how to be resourceful when you are dealing with the top management. So if I have to sum up this entire things, I will say Be down to earth when you're dealing with the workmen. Second, have a good technical information and take a tactical decisions when you're dealing with the supervisors. Third, be friendly. Try to make them one if you're having a third party inspection. And fourth, and which is very important, that you have to be resourceful whenever your top management needs you. These are the four takeaways from Ganesh Mote. I am very much thankful to the Ganesh Mote for whatever the learnings he has given me, and I would wish him all the best for his entire life. Okay guys, this is how I express my gratitude towards my boss. So if you want to express my gratitude, you can let me know, and you can like this video, you can share, or you can comment on it. Okay, bye.